In this video, we'll explore 7 evidence-based strategies backed by experts to help you overcome sex addiction effectively. So if you're ready to take charge of your life and relationships again, let's dive in together. But first, hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, where mental health education meets self-care. And if you stick around until the end, we'll share some extra tips for daily support. Now, let's talk about those 7 strategies. 1. Acknowledge and accept. Dr. Brian Kenneth Gill, PhD, clinical psychologist and sex addiction specialist, says the first step is acceptance. You must acknowledge you have a problem and that quitting will take time. Write down what you've been struggling with and how it's affecting your life. This simple act can be incredibly powerful in starting your journey towards recovery. 2. Identify your triggers. Patricia Carnes, PhD, a leading expert in sex addiction, suggests keeping a journal for at least a week to identify your triggers. Note the time, place, and feelings before a sexual urge hits. Common triggers include stress, boredom, loneliness, or certain websites. Once you have this awareness, you can start to create strategies to either avoid these triggers or learn how to cope with them in a healthy way. 3. Replace those behaviors. Dr. Richard A. Friedman, psychiatrist and addiction expert, notes that you can't stop a behavior without replacing it. Find healthy alternatives to fill the void. Consider exercise, meditation, creative hobbies, or learning a new skill. The key is to redirect those dopamine-driven impulses toward positive, fulfilling activities. 4. Set boundaries and limit access. This advice echoes the strategies used in addiction recovery. By setting boundaries, you can reduce the chances of giving in to your triggers. Use website blockers, delete apps, or change routines that make acting out easier. Remember, this isn't about shaming yourself. It's about creating an environment that supports your recovery. 5. Seek professional help and therapy. Dr. Emily Morse, sex therapist and host of the podcast Sex with Emily, strongly advocates for professional help. Therapists specializing in sexual addiction can teach cognitive behavioral techniques, emotional regulation, and relapse prevention strategies. Additionally, group therapy like Sex Addicts Anonymous SAA can provide invaluable support and accountability. 6. Build accountability. Similar to Alcoholics Anonymous, having a support system can significantly aid in your recovery. Tell a trusted friend, family member, or mentor about your journey. Sharing your struggles reduces secrecy, guilt, and shame, which are major triggers for relapse. Regular check-ins can keep you accountable and motivated. And 7, practice mindfulness and emotional awareness. Dr. Nan Wise, LCSW-CST, sex therapist and professor, suggests that many people use sex to numb uncomfortable emotions. Mindfulness practices, meditation, or journaling can help you feel these emotions without acting out. Start small. 5 minutes of deep breathing or observing your thoughts can make a huge difference. By incorporating these 7 strategies into your journey, you're taking proactive steps towards recovery from sex addiction. Remember, the path to healing is unique for everyone. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't hesitate to seek support. And here are some daily routine tips that can help. Morning journaling, exercise, limit screen time, evening reflection. Small, consistent actions create long-term change. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you or anyone you know struggled with sex addiction? What resources or strategies have been helpful? Share your experiences and let's support each other on this journey. And finally, if this video resonated with you, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. Until next time.